time for your happy hour and a half. Live from the 5 Eyewitness News Studios, it's Twin Cities Live.
Happy Tuesday, everybody. Welcome into Twin Cities Live. Hope you guys are doing well on the start of your work week. How you doing?
I'm doing very well. Nice to see you, Ben Lieber. I went to the dentist this morning, and I was a little bit concerned that the Novocaine wasn't going to wear off, and this side of my face was going to be sort of droopy droop, boop, but I think it's okay.
So then they put the appropriate amount in, just enough to numb it for the procedure or whatever you had done, and now you're not drooling on yourself.
I had a filling replaced with a... and then they like filled it in a little bit more because I had like a little gap back there, and I kept getting stuff trapped back there, and then I'd have to floss. It was a whole thing. So anyway, that's what we did today.
Did they do the pre-numb before the shot?
Yeah, and it was pina colada flavored, and I was like, this is brutal.
Did you have a choice?
No choice, just on a Q-tip.
They just on a Q-tip and they just rub it.
I think this is pina colada flavor, and I said, this is Sally, this is terrible. But it worked out. It was fine. The dentist is, though, I mean, man, young kids out there, if your kid's watching, guys, the dentist is so fun. Adults, as you get older, you start to get a little more stressed about the dentist.
You do, well.
And tomorrow I'm having an even bigger dental procedure.
Yeah, you are. Yeah. Yeah, it's all about the dentist this week. The weird thing is, I can watch like my knee getting drained, like when I was playing football. Like I can watch
the syringe. What do they have to drain?
Just fluid that's in your knee. So like I can watch that, but I cannot watch the needle going in my mouth. Like I have to close my eyes if they're gonna Novocaine me. I'm like, I can't do it. I can't do it. I don't want to.
So when they hold it up and they're like,
yeah, it's like an old like scary movie. Where like, here we go.
It is. You know, there's something about like stuff going on in your mouth that's just very like intimate. It's stressful.
There's just no tissue in your gums.
I
So like the thought of the needle going in your gum,
right?
It like gives me the chills. It freaks me out.
I know. But anyway, things are looking okay.
I'm glad you're here. I'm glad you're not drooling.
I know. It's like, I had a call after, and I said, I was talking to Grant Whitaker. I said, if I sound intoxicated, I'm sorry.
I would love it if you had a tissue and you said to like dab your mouth.
I know.
Super fun.
That's what would happen. We've got a great show planned for you today. Football legend and superstar Cris Carter. Ever heard of him? I think you probably have. He stopped by our studio a few weeks ago, and we found out what he's watching, reading, and listening to. I missed him because I was sick. I was so sad.
I know. He is so good. He's so generous. He's great on TV. He's always here with a good cause. And then we got to kind of pick his brain a little bit. Also, Uli is here from Porma Skincare. She's talking about how to get your skin in its best shape in the new year, because we're talking about like our bodies and our minds and all this stuff for 2025, but you got to think about your skin.
I know, and in particular, she's talking about a product that exfoliates your skin, and I think in winter in Minnesota is when we all really think about like, oh, we got to just slough it off a little bit. Also, are you looking to book a memorable staycation with your gal pals? Reporter Kristen Hobrick is taking us to a unique rental in Anoka. Let's get a little preview.
Oh, what? Kayla, what did you make for us?
Well, wouldn't you like to know?
Yes, I would.
I actually made this for Seth. Seth, would you like a cinnamon roll?
Thank you.
You know, I've never felt more like a 50s housewife.
I mean,
Leave it to Beaver.
There you go.
So coming up, we're going to show you a brand new Airbnb in Anoka and how you can channel your inner pink with all your best girlfriends.
This looks fun.
I know.
Oh my gosh, cute.
You know how you can get in really good with our staff, especially our photogs?
Feed them.
Feed them.
Feed them.
Yeah, when we're out and about, if you feed them, they're very happy. We will always come back.
That's so true. You can do a girls' weekend, but you don't even have to get on a flight.
I know.
That means the fun starts right when you get to Anoka. You don't have to wait to get off the airplane.
Absolutely.
There you go.
Speaking of fun, I know that when you were back yesterday after a little 2-week hiatus, we talked about your trip to Florida, but you also had some fun as well with your daughter, Bernie.
Well, okay. I like to share this with you guys because I know, many of you who've watched the show for a long time, you can remember when I was 15 days overdue pregnant with Bernie. I remind her of this regularly. And it was just the longest pregnancy that just went on and on and on. And everyone was like, have you had that baby yet? And I would say, look at me. Does it look like I've had the baby yet? No, I haven't. Well, it turned out I did eventually have the baby. And Bernadette Rosalind Reimers turned 10 years old on January 2nd. And there's always like those kids that however old they are, you sort of measure the passing of time by. And I hear this from a lot of regular Twin Cities Live viewers that you do this with Bernie. This was when we were at her state gymnastics competition, and Bernie and I went to the bathroom, and Ben, look who we found in the stall. Me and you.
I love that those stay up year round.
I know.
Because you and I get pictures and texts all the time sent to
That
us.
was at the Coliseum. So we celebrated her 10th birthday. We did a sleepover. She had her first slumber party ever. We had a few girls sleep over. It was very fun. It was no shortage of excitement. And but you know, 10 is like kind of a big.
It's a big milestone.
It's a big
it really
milestone.
Is. Yeah.
You know, our friend Fallon from KDWB and the Jason Show, she messaged me and she said, I know I can't be the only person saying this to you, but I can't believe she's 10. It's been a decade of being her mom, which has been the greatest gift of my life.
I know. All of us parents and all of you parents watching, I mean, you can all probably attest this. Like, where does the time go?
Where does the time go?
I mean, when you are, especially in that first year, boy, do those days seem so long. Some of those days feel like 20 years.
They never end.
They never end. And then all of a sudden you're celebrating the first birthday, the second, and all the way to the 10th. And you're like, where does the time go?
I know, and I was messaging with another mom on Instagram, and I said, you know, the 10th birthday feels a little bit like I have fewer years looking ahead of having her in our home than I do behind, you know, like than behind
Well, yeah,
us.
it's about 18 years that they're going to be, I mean, maybe some
Yeah.
longer than others, but 18 years about when they kind of leave the nest.
Look at
and
her. That's when she was so tiny.
I know.
Can
It
you
is
stand
crazy.
it?
So you got me thinking earlier today to look back at some pictures from
Of old ones of the kids.
Yeah. I mean,
Did you sit and cry? What were you doing?
I got a little teary. I did, because it's like, man, I just forgot that we had these moments and we shared these moments and how young they were. And then, you know, you and I talk a lot too, that like my Ames is going to be out of the house in a year and a half.
I know.
So that's scary.
Yeah, you guys are going to cry. I'm going to cry.
I know,
Everybody's
it's
going to
gonna-
cry.
it's gonna be a mess.
It really is. But you know, it's like 10 years old.
Yeah.
She's a decade old. So that got us kind of thinking, what else is a decade old? Let's look back at some time. Okay, so how about award shows first?
Yeah, like movies
Like,
and
what
such.
were the hottest
Yeah.
things 10 years ago? 10 years ago at the Oscars, Birdman won Best Picture. Still haven't seen it.
I still haven't seen it either. That's crazy. I know. Another reminder, then you go back and watch some of this stuff. So Eddie Redmayne, he won Best Actor for his role as Stephen Hawking in The Theory of Everything.
Oh, still haven't seen that.
I have not seen that either. J.K. Simmons won Best Supporting Actor for his role as Fletcher in Whiplash. I did see that.
I didn't see that.
That was really good. And then Julianne Moore won Best Actress in Still Alice.
Oh, that one was supposed to be really good. I haven't seen that
one either.
At the Emmys, Veep won for Best Comedy. Game of Thrones won for Best Drama
so good.
10 years ago.
So good.
Viola Davis won Best Actress for in a drama series for her role as Annalise Keating in How to Get Away with Murder.
I think I saw that
Yeah,
one.
that's a good show. And she was the first black actress to win an Emmy in that category. So those were the hot shows a decade ago.
Yep. How about what you guys listening to? Yeah. How about Uptown Funk?
Oh,
that was the
man.
#1 song by Bruno Mars and Mark Ronson. That's a jam. That's still a jam.
But that song was played over and over. I mean, to the point where you couldn't hear it anymore.
That's fine.
really
but when it
overdone.
surprises you and comes on the radio now, you can't stop yourself and not just turn it up.
Thinking
You
Out
got
Loud
it.
was ranked
Yeah.
#2 by Ed Sheeran.
Yeah.
I love Ed Sheeran.
He's so good. He's so
And
talented.
See You Again from Furious 7. It held the record for the most streamed track in a single day on Spotify in the United States.
I don't even know what that is.
what was invented in
do I?
2015?
Furious 7? I don't think I've even.
Oh, I love when Betsy sings.
Wait, I don't know. Sing it again,
Singing.
Betsy. No, start at the
Betsy,
top.
get a
I want to hear the
microphone.
intro.
Betsy, keep going. Betsy, you're a little flat. Just kidding.
Okay.
Voice of an angel over there.
Let's move on to this, you guys. Biggest inventions of 2015. How about the Apple Pencil? I don't know. Did anybody
Has that
have the
still
Apple
taken
Pencil?
off?
No.
I mean, are people using the
Yeah,
Apple
that's
Pencil?
failure to launch right there. The Tesla Model X, invented in 15, but didn't hit the markets until 16.
You know, my sister and brother-in-law rented a Tesla Cybertruck. I didn't even tell you this when we were in Florida.
Yeah.
It drives itself, and we did it. I sat in the front seat. My sister.
Like truly self-driving.
Unbelievable. I can't believe I haven't even told you about this. I'm sorry, I'm sidetracking the whole thing. These Cybertrucks are crazy. And I made fun of them for booking it because I was like, that is the worst
No, they are
looking
very
car
ugly.
ever. It's a terrible
They're very
looking car.
ugly.
Then you get in it. And it's like a spaceship. You put in the instruction of where you're going to go, and it drives itself
The whole way?
perfectly the whole way. Mikey, have you been in one of
I did
those?
a Waymo in Phoenix,
You did a Waymo.
which is like Uber, but it,
Yeah.
Oh, in
Okay.
Phoenix.
If there is a vehicle that I would let drive me around, it is a Cybertruck because it is a tank.
It's a tank.
It's a tank, you guys.
It was really crazy. I couldn't believe it. It was, if you get a chance to get in one, you know, I was such an idiot because I was like, this is dumb. I don't want to get in this car. And then I got in and I was like, this is incredible.
Well, it's one of those things that
thing.
like I would like to be inside and I like to ride around in one, but I'm not going to own one. I do not have any inkling.
I
to own
think that too. I want the technology just in a different
Yes.
exterior.
There you go.
I get it.
There
Okay.
you go.
very
That was
fun.
that was fun. That was a fun little
So
look
I
back
took
from
us
10
on a
years ago.
different direction.
It's okay.
But I got in the Cybertruck.
All right, guys, we're also celebrating the season with our It's Winter series. So all winter long, we're going to share fun ways to either cozy up inside during these cold days or bundle up and embrace the frigid temps.
Okay, so we're going to take you back to last winter because I got back out on the slopes at Spirit Mountain in Duluth. Shout out to WDIO and our Northland viewers. I did this for the first time since I broke my ankle.
Another milestone.
In 3 places several years ago. So if you are looking for a little inspiration to get outside, try something new or maybe try something you haven't done in a while, here it is. I skied a long time ago.
Yeah.
When I was a kid, I grew up learning to ski, which was really great. And I think it's so wonderful if you're a parent out there and you can get your kid in ski lessons when they're young. Does that mean that my shot of kind of picking it up again post ankle break will be okay? What's your prediction here?
Absolutely. I think we're gonna have a blast out there. So, yeah, I mean, I love greeting folks back to the sport. You know, where we meet our guests that are like, hey, I haven't been skiing in like 10 years. And it's like, welcome back. It's always a welcome back because it's like, we know the sport that we're doing. We know the love that we get to have here in winter and like get outside and just recreate, like get our bodies moving, have so much fun in whatever the winter brings.
This is good. I'm ready to get the gear on. Okay, I do want to hear a little bit about Spirit Mountain in general, though. Tell me about, you know, how many runs we're looking at, what kind of amenities, you know, what can people be expecting to experience when they come here? We're hanging out at the bar, which is a good place to après ski or maybe pre-ski.
Absolutely. Yeah, we've got 22 runs at Spirit and 2 terrain parks. So we've got jumps and rails and just like that aspect of skiing, we cover that really well, skiing and boarding. And then 700-foot vertical drop, so like we're a bigger ski area than a lot of Midwest.
We've been calling this our best winter yet on Twin Cities Live because, you know, it can be, I think, tempting to sort of fall into the trap of going, winter, blah, blah, blah. But you know what? I mean, if you live in Minnesota, winter is inevitable.
Yeah.
There's so much beauty in the season, and the only person who can change your attitude and enjoyment about it is you.
Absolutely.
You got to just find things to enjoy.
Yeah, and I agree. This is a great winter. I mean, like, right now, today, we have a true January day, and that's okay. I mean, we live in Minnesota. We live in northern Minnesota here at Spirit Mountain, and we embrace it. We love it. We know how to put an extra layer on if need be. But so far this winter, it's been so good.
Oh yeah, that feels perfect. Yeah.
What I love is even with all adults and everybody to talk about pizza and French fries. It's such an easy way to go, you know, because we could go like technical and go other ways, but let's just keep it with pizza and French fries. So our hands are up, our eyes are up. We're gonna make ourselves that slice of pizza right there. I love it. Now our eyes are up. We're gonna give ourselves a little bounce and we're gonna jump back into our French fries. Yeah, so 2 nice big French fries right there. Let's jump into our pizza. Oh, look at you. Hands are up, eyes are
exciting.
up. Woo! I love it.
Can I ask you a question?
Absolutely.
So when I was a kid, nobody wore a helmet and everybody had poles.
Yes.
Today, we've got a helmet and no poles.
Yeah.
What's the deal?
Oh, helmets are just a part, like, they're so great to be a part of the equipment now. It's just like a part of what we do. Honestly, maybe we're just smarter now to realize that like this is something that's worth protecting, you know? When you're first learning that separation between what your hands are doing and what your feet are doing is really important. So adding poles into that beginner level of the lesson, it's not needed. We need to just focus on what our feet are doing so that we can have total control of our skis. All right, eyes up, hands up. Great. And controlled stop. Oh, let's see the stop. Let's see
Like
it.
an old pro. Back
Yeah.
in the game, John!
I love it.
We're back
I
in the game.
love
We're not
it.
going to let a broken ankle in 3 places stop us from living our best life.
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. We're enjoying it. Hello! That was awesome.
Okay, John, that's a wrap. Let me tell you, that was so much fun, and
Well,
you are a fantastic instructor.
I appreciate that. You are an excellent student. It was so good to bring you back and have you back on snow to return to skiing. Like, I couldn't have asked for a better student. You did so good.
Thank you. I will tell you, it felt really good because, you know, after that ankle break, there's some trauma that comes along with that, and sort of feeling like, I don't know if I'm going to be able to ever do things that I was able to do. And to be able to get out and just smell the air and hear that crunch of the snow and like the slicing of the skis was just really therapeutic.
Yeah. Being at Spirit Mountain, so stoked on you being here.
Oh,
So,
you're the best. All right,
yeah.
we're friends for life.
Boom.
So good.
Forever.
Thanks.
Oh, that was really fun, and it was really cold.
Yeah, I know you guys. When you guys talked about how
Yeah.
cold it was, I'm like, yeah, I don't envy that at all.
I
but
mean,
I
it
envy
was
you guys being
below
on the
zero that day,
slopes.
Betsy, wasn't it? I mean, it was so cold, but it is true. I mean, there's something about just being outside, you're bundled up, and hearing the sounds and feeling the wind. I don't know. It's a great feeling. And however you can get that, if you're going to go on a sled or you're going to go tubing or you're out snowshoeing or just whatever, I think it's important to get out
Yeah.
and soak that up. We
Yeah.
need some snow also. But
Oh, yeah, we do need some snow. But so I didn't grow up skiing. The only
Yeah.
thing I can think about is like that freedom that you have when you learn to ride a bike. You know, and that freedom every spring, summer when you're out on a bike ride. Like, this is just so nice.
I know.
You're basically doing that on snow.
It's the same. It's the same.
Except it sounds way cooler on snow.
It does.
All right, guys, we got a great show for you. We have more Twin Cities Live right after this.
Oh, it's winter, presented by Rainy Lake, north of the Twin Cities, gateway to Voyageurs National Park. Rainy Lake is your Minnesota vacation destination, spring, summer, fall, and winter. Plan your trip at rainylake.com.